Hello, this is Curtain platform, and we have brought you the PLE solutions for 2024 section A, and here we come with the number 2. We concluded with number 1 and we saw how it was supposed to be approached, and we found out that number, it was a number which can be passed by every child. So we are now coming to number 2. Our number 2 was write C X I V in Hindu Arabic numeral. This number also, it challenged some pupils, and whereby it was a number which was passable. Everyone was supposed to pass this number, but because of some panicking and some small things, they made us to fail this, or they made our children to fail this number. So this is the solution for this number. First of all, when they say write in Hindu Arabic numeral, simply they are meaning write in figures. Write in figures. So they want you to write that number. Which number does it represent in figures? Now, when you are given a number in Roman numeral, the first thing which you have to do is get the number and break it in one, make each number to be 1. Like shall say C, we shall have X, we shall have I, we shall have V. Before even working out the number, that is the first step which you have to do. And then after knowing that, come and identify each number by number. Then we shall come here and we say, this is the C. C represents what? We know very well that C represents 100 in figures. So this is 100 in figures. Then we also go to X. X represents what? X represents 10. So we write 10. Then we come here. I represents what? I represents 1. Then we come here and we see V represents what? V represents 5. Then now we go back and we start from the first point. We have 100 here and 10. But when you look at 100 and 10, we see that 10 is smaller than 100. So we shall leave that one like that. Then we come to the next two numbers. We shall compare these other two numbers. We have 1 and 5. When you look at 1 and 5, you see that this 5 is smaller. 1 is smaller than 5. So what do we do? Come and get these two numbers, 1 and 5. Subtract them. So you say this is 5 minus 1, giving us 4. Meaning I and V is one numeral. Then X is an independent numeral. Then C is also an independent numeral. So therefore, what do we do for the final? We shall now come and expand the number again with their respective numbers. So we have C, X, then I, V. This time around, we shall put it together because we have got one numeral from them. Then we have seen C represents, that is 100. We have I represents, so we shall have X represents 10. Then we shall come here, say this is the 1 IV, it represents 4. Then at the end, we shall come here and we finalize by saying this is now 100 plus 10 plus 4. We add them together. Then we shall say this is 4, this is the 1, and this is the 1. So therefore, our answer will be C, X, I, V equals 1, 1, 4, like that. So that is our answer, and that is our solution for the second number, or the solution for number 2. That was the solution for number 2. And now we are on the solution of number 3. Number 3, it's also one of the numbers which confused the pupils. Number 3, it confused the pupils seriously, because they asked, the question is, given that M equals BAT, write down all the subsets of set M. Given that M equals BAT, write down all the subsets of set M. The question was just very simple, but it confused pupils, because some people, they listed the subsets. After listing the subsets, then they had to count them, and then they write the final answer that there may be 80 subsets, like that. And yet the question did not call for someone to find for the number of subsets. The question was very simple. So the question wanted someone, just a child, to list down or to write down the subsets of set M, whereby some pupils, they had to first of all find the number of subsets, and after finding the number of subsets, they had to list them again, which was wrong. So therefore, what are you supposed to do? We are going to list the subsets which are in set M, and we're listing the subsets. We have two ways of starting. You can either start with an empty set, or you end with it. But for us here, we are going to start with the empty set. So it is just very simple. Just start with empty set, then put a comma. Then you also write a set of B. Then from that, we shall go to a set of A. That's where we shall go. Then from there, we shall go to a set of T. Then we have now finished to list the empty set. We have listed the sets of one member, and now we are going to, since the set has 3 members, we are going now to have a set of 2 members. So let's start the set of 2 members. So a set of 2 members, we shall start with B, A, then we shall come to another one will be B, T. Then when we see that we have reached to the last number, when we are mentioning listing the subsets, we come back, and now we see which one haven't we listed. We haven't listed A and T, so we come and list a set of A and T. Then finally, since they want us to find the subsets, we shall also have the mother set, because a subset, we include there the mother set. So therefore, include there the mother set. And which one will be our mother set? Our mother set will be B, A, and T. That will be our mother set. And when we look at these subsets, they are 8, but the question did not call us to write the number of subsets. So that is where we were supposed to end. If you know your child went beyond that, just know that that child was denied the marks because they did not read the question well, did not read the question carefully. So thank you for watching. Keep on tuning up, then we are coming up with the next section. Thank you.